If you're tackling tamper-resistant security screws, the Titan 12710 tamper-proof star key set offers exactly what you need. This set covers sizes T6 through T30, including T6, T7, T8, T9, T10, T15, T20, T25, T27, and T30, so you're prepared for almost any job. The keys feature drilled tips, specifically designed to fit those tricky security screws that ordinary tools can't handle. Built from chrome vanadium steel, these keys promise strength and long-lasting performance. That means you get reliable torque without worrying about bending or breaking. Plus, the corrosion-resistant aluminum holder keeps everything organized and protected, even if you're working in damp or challenging environments. One of the standout features is how the keys fold compactly into the holder. This design makes storage simple and keeps your tools secure and easy to access. No more fumbling through a toolbox or losing individual keys. The holder's bright green color coding also helps you quickly spot the set, saving time on the job. Titan Tools is known for blending innovation with quality, and this set reflects that reputation. Whether you're a professional technician or a DIY enthusiast, you'll appreciate the thoughtful design and durability. Customers across the United States praise the set for having the right length and fit for screw heads, all neatly combined in one kit. Having all sizes together means you don't have to scramble for the right key. This convenience alone can improve your workflow and reduce frustration. The drilled tips add another layer of versatility, letting you work on tamper-resistant screws without swapping tools or forcing a fit. If you're serious about security screws, the Titan 12710 set is worth a look. It's compact, durable, and designed to get the job done with less hassle. Whether you're upgrading your tool collection or tackling a specific project, this set delivers solid performance and smart storage. Try it when you're ready to experience a more efficient way to handle tamper-proof screws. With Titan's commitment to quality and innovation, you're investing in a tool set that won't let you down. The combination of chrome vanadium steel keys, drilled tips, and a corrosion-resistant holder makes this set a practical choice for any toolbox.